How to repair Instagram lagging Reels. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix your Instagram Reels lagging. So let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to open Instagram and you'll get to the screen. Instagram lags sometimes, especially the Reels, which are not loading or playing. Just under ads, we have account, and once you click on account, you can see here we have this option, which is data usage. So we have a bunch of other options available. We have manage interest, contacts, sharing, original photos, and more. And you can see under sharing 2 other apps, we have data usage, so you're gonna select this one. And here we have useless mobile data, so if this option is enabled, you can see using less mobile data may affect your experience on Instagram. For example, photos and videos may take longer to load. So sometimes this option is enabled like this. This is blue, so that is the reason your Instagram is lagging, and it's taking longer for pictures to load because you have actually enabled this option to use less mobile data. So we can just switch this off from here. If you have switched this up, then this will actually help you and your Instagram load faster, especially your Reels. Other than that, you can actually, if the problem is still there, you can reinstall your Instagram app and you can uninstall it and then install it again. And hopefully it'll work for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, enable bell notification, and register for YouTube.